Ever wondered how you could excel in affiliate marketing? How to turn those clicks into income and make your mark in the digital world? Well, you're in the right place. Affiliate marketing, at its core, is a simple concept. It's about promoting products or services that aren't your own and earning a commission for any sales made through your referral. It's a win-win situation. Businesses gain more customers and you get rewarded for your efforts. But how does it all work? Let's break it down into 5 manageable steps. Firstly, you have to choose your niche. It's vital to focus on an area you are genuinely passionate about, one where you can bring unique value to your audience. This not only makes your job more enjoyable, but also gives you an edge over competitors. Next, you need to find a product or service to promote. There are countless affiliate programs out there, from Amazon to Shopify. It's about finding the right fit for your audience and your personal interests. Once you've chosen your product, it's time to share it with the world. This is where your platform comes into play. Whether that's a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media account, make sure it's a place where your target audience hangs out. The 4th step is all about driving traffic to your platform. This is where SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing come into play. The more traffic you can generate, the higher the chances of conversions. Finally, you convert that traffic into sales. This is where compelling content, persuasive copywriting, and a strong call to action are crucial. Now that's the basic process of affiliate marketing. But let's not stop there. Let's talk about some unique strategies. One powerful strategy is content diversification. Don't just rely on blog posts or videos. Mix it up with podcasts, infographics, webinars, and more. The more diverse your content, the wider your reach. Another strategy is to build strong relationships with your audience. Engage with them, understand their needs, and provide value beyond just selling. This not only boosts your conversion rates, but also fosters loyalty and trust. Lastly, don't forget to track your results and adjust your strategy accordingly. Use analytics tools to understand what's working and what's not. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a set-and-forget strategy. It requires constant tweaking and optimization. So, to summarize, affiliate marketing is a 5-step process. Choose a niche, find a product to promote, share it on your platform, drive traffic, and convert that traffic into sales. And to stand out, diversify your content, build relationships with your audience, and constantly track and optimize your results. That's it for today. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, patience, and a strategic approach. But with these tips, you're well on your way to making your mark in the affiliate marketing world. Until next time.